Today I'm going to talk to you guys about making a plant maintenance basket or tray for your child. It's a work that you can take down whenever you want your plants to be watered, trimmed, cleaned, misted. Some items that you might want in your tray or basket are not displayed on this photo because I don't have our toddler scissors, a small watering can to prevent spilling and overwatering, a sponge for cleaning the leaves, a small pitcher, a plant mister, small container of some sort, towel to clean up spills, and an optional apron. I brought my work down and to the floor since it was up higher. That's something that you can do for your toddler. Or you could have a workstation. If your plants are already on the ground, they could just bring the tray to the plant. The first thing I would do is I would clean the plant. So I have my scissors, and as you can see, there are a lot of dead leaves. So that's the first step of plant maintenance. And I have a bowl to catch my trimmings, and so I can take it out to my compost. It doesn't just have to be dead leaves. You could have a jade that you want to just take trimmings off of and transplant, or a spider plant or an apothos. You could have herbs in your house, and your child can bring this down to cut some herbs. The options are endless. All right, that looks good. I would put my scissors back down, and then the next step would be to clean the plant. My plant is really dusty, so I'm going to use my small pitcher, and I'm going to grab some water. This is something your child can do, or you could have it already prepared for them. I'm going to take out my small container and my sponge, and I'm going to pour some water in here. I'm going to dip my sponge in, get it nice and soaked, and then I'm going to squeeze the water out. And I already spilled some water, so that's what the towel's for. Clean up. And then you have your child with one hand hold the leaf, and the other hand wipe the leaf. And they'll do this until they're satisfied. Instead of a sponge and water, you can always use a duster of some sort made from wool. You don't have to have it be with water. This is a great activity to teach the child gentleness. It requires both hands to work together, and it can be difficult for the young toddler to hold the leaf and clean it at the same time. I'm not going to dust this whole plant because it's going to take a long time, but after dusting, the next thing your child could do is water the plant. So then we'll go grab some water. And we use a small container so that we're not over-watering the plant, and also it's easier for your child not to spill, but the towel's on hand just in case. We always show them that we use 2 hands, and we go nice and slow so we don't spill. And then the last thing is a plant mister. Plants love to be misted, certain plants. So you could have this, and children love this activity. Just spritz down the leaves. This is a fun activity to do with your kid, teaching them how to take care of your house plants. As I said before, you could, if you had the first step, trimming with a jade per se, and you wanted to transplant, you could then bring down some pots and some soil and do the repotting right after that, and then watering, and this tray can come in handy in all different sorts of ways. So you add on and take away with what works with your family, and have fun. Thanks.